Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. This is Poonam Yadav and you all are welcome here in online classes. Student, we are discussing about chapter number 3, the starting point, and I have explained some paragraphs. So let's start from paragraph number 7. Okay, we have learned from paragraph. I have explained paragraph number 1 to 6. So let's start from paragraph number 7. 6 weeks into our training, the center held a cross-country race. In this event, Gurudev came first and I came second. Again, I became the cynosure of all sides. Cynosure means a focus of everyone's eyes. So, 6 weeks after in their training period, after 6 weeks, center held a cross-country race, and in this race, his trainer Gurudev Havaldar Singh, and he also had participated, and his trainer came first. Havaldar Gurudev Singh came first and he came second, and once again he was a focus of everyone's eyes. तो जो है मिल्खा सिंह जो थे वो फोकस थे सबकी आंखों में, जो सबकी फोकस उन्हीं पे थी. So I was 20 or 21 at that time, but looked much younger. I was asked to take part in the brigade meet in Hyderabad, where I was asked to run in 40-100 meters event. When he had participated in the cross-country race, he was 20 or 21 at that time. He was 20 or 21 of age at that time, but he looks younger, much younger according to his age. So he was asked to take the part in the brigadier meet in Hyderabad, and where he have to run 400 meter race. मीन्स हुआ जो है उस टाइम उस इवेंट के क्रॉस कंट्री रेस के टाइम वो जो है 20 या 21 ईयर के एज के थे, और जबकि वो बहुत छोटे दिखाई देते थे अपनी एज से, बट उन्हें जो है 400 मीटर रेस के लिए हैदराबाद ब्रिगेडियर जो है हैदराबाद में 400 मीटर रेस में रन करने के लिए उन्हें कहा गया. टू होम मिल्खा सिंह. I was greatly surprised because I did not even know what 400 meters meant. I had always run 6 miles, but it was during the brigade meet that the second incident occurred, which made me even more determined to become a good athlete. He was greatly surprised. Milkha Singh was greatly surprised because he did not even know about the how to run in a 400 meter race. जो है वो बिल्कुल जानते भी नहीं थे इस बारे में कि कैसे, क्योंकि he had always run only 6 miles, and it was but it was during the brigade meet. It was the second incident of his life that has given the new look, new path in his life, his career, and this second incident made him determine that he is going to start his he will become a good athlete one day. So in the first practice run in Hyderabad, I took off my canvas shoes and ran barefoot. Barefoot means without any shoes or slippers, nange pair. And Gurudev clapped in his hands for me to start. I did and clocked 63 seconds. I was eager, means इन द फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस हैदराबाद में जो है अपनी फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस के ड्यूरेशन में उसने जो अपनी कैनवास शूज को उतारे और वो नंगे पैर ही दौड़ा, एंड गुरुदेव ने जो है उसके हैंड्स को क्लैप किया उसे रन करने के लिए, एंड वो जो है he has to start to run, and I did. उसने जो है वो रन किया, उसने दौड़ा और 63 seconds पे उसने फिनिश किया. And I was eager to run four more sounds. After all, that was what I was used to, running 6 miles every day. So running a quarter mile seemed far too easy. I continued to practice for many days to improve my time, and soon I was running 400 meters in less than a minute. and he was used to every day 6 miles run. He used to run 6 miles every day, and after all he was used to running 6 miles every day, and so running a quarter mile seemed far too easy. क्वार्टर माइल जो है उसके लिए रन करना बहुत उसे इजी दिखाई दे रहा था, एंड उसने जो है बहुत दिनों तक अपनी प्रैक्टिस कंटिन्यू रखी, जारी रखी, प्रैक्टिस करता गया, एंड आफ्टर सो मच प्रैक्टिसिंग ही इम्प्रूव्ड हिज टाइम, एंड सून ही वाज रनिंग 400 meters इन लेस देन अ मिनट. वह जो है बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस के बाद वह जो है लेस देन अ मिनट, इन लेस देन 1 minute he run 400 meters. So the day of the meet dawned bright and clear. As I made my way to the stadium, I noticed some men who were surrounded by senior officers and their families. The men were dressed with the Indian written on them in bold letters. They seemed to have an air on power of practice about them, and I was very curious to know who they were. The day was a meet dawn bright and clear. जो है जिस दिन जो है उन्हें जाना था, उन्हें जो है मीट का जो डे था स्पोर्ट्स मीट का, तो that was bright and clear, and he has made a, as I made my way to the stadium, he made his way to stadium, he went to the stadium. He noticed that some people are surrounded by some senior officers and their families. देखा कि जो है कुछ फैमिली कुछ लोग हैं जो कि कुछ सीनियर ऑफिसर्स और फैमिलीज के थ्रू जो है सराउंडेड है, घिरे हुए हैं, और उनकी टी शर्ट पे जो है इंडियन लिखा हुआ है बोल्ड लेटर्स में. तो वह जो है उनके प्रेस्टीज को, उनके पावर को, उनके गौरव को जो है वो शो कर रहे हैं, एंड मतलब जो है उन्हें आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं. एंड आई वॉज क्यूरियस, और वह जो था जो है मिल्खा सिंह जो थे वो बहुत क्यूरियस थे उनको उनके बारे में जानने के लिए, हूँ देवर कि वो कौन थे. एंड आई वॉज टोल्ड लेटर दैट दे वर एथलीट्स हु हैव रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडिया इन इंटरनेशनल स्पोर्टिंग इवेंट्स. That was my eureka moment. I made a solemn promise to myself that I would not rest until I earn a place in that special word too. And the word of Indian athletes who had the privilege of representing their country. So जो है बाद में उसे यह बताया गया that they were the Indian athletes who represented India in the internationally in the games, sporting events, and that was eureka moment. Means eureka moment, the time when he realized that he wanted to become in his life. यूरेका मोमेंट उसी टाइम उसने जो है ये डिसाइड कर लिया कि वह भी जो है वो तब तक रेस्ट नहीं करेगा जब तक कि वह ऐसा प्लेस अपने लिए जो है अचीव नहीं कर लेता. एंड उसने खुद से ही प्रॉमिस किया जो है ये कि मैं जो है वर्ल्ड में जो है अपना स्पेशल प्लेस जब तक नहीं बना लूँगा तो मैं रेस्ट नहीं करूँगा. एंड वह भी जो है वर्ल्ड में इंडियन एथलीट बनना चाहता था, जिसके पास जो है अपनी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करने का पावर हो. और I wanted to wear blazers and vests with the name of my country written on them. I resolved that I would make my country proud of me. He wanted to wear blazers. वह भी जो है blazers and vests पहनना चाहता था जिसपे उसकी country का name written हो. And I resolved that I would make my country proud of me. और उसने जो है ये firm determination किया कि that he would make his country proud of him. और जो अपनी कंट्री को खुद पे गर्व करवाएगा, वो ऐसा उसने जो है डिसाइड किया. I was very nervous when we reported at the starting line before the race. This was the first time that I was competing in such an event, and that too before thousands of spectators. I had little idea about the procedures and the technicalities for such events. He was feeling nervous because when he reported at the starting line before the race. जब वह जो है रेस के पहले स्टार्टिंग लाइन पे पहुंचा तो वह बहुत ही नर्वस था. एंड वह फर्स्ट टाइम था जब वह जो है इतने हजारों दर्शकों के सामने जो है परफॉर्म कर रहा था और ऐसे इवेंट पे जो है कम्पीट कर रहा था. उसे बिल्कुल भी बहुत ही कम आइडिया था कि जो है प्रोसीजर और टेक्निकलिटीज़ के बारे में, उसकी तकनीक और उसकी प्रोसीजर प्रक्रिया के बारे में, मतलब ऐसे इवेंट्स के बारे में उसे कोई नॉलेज नहीं थी, कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी, ना ही वो किसी टेक्निक को जानता था, उसके प्रोसीजर को जानता था कि कैसे 400 मीटर्स में रेस में जो है पार्टिसिपेट करना है, कैसे रन करना है, उसे कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन इस बारे में नहीं थी. सो ही वॉज फीलिंग टू मच नर्वस. So students, left part we will continue in this next video. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So note down homework for today. Explain paragraph number 8 in your own words. Thank you. Have a nice day.